Good day, welcome to Multi-Net Design. In the continuation of our remodeling building that we were working on, in the last episode we were able to adjust and put different color for just to make different relief to the eye. So in this tutorial we want to like tidy up everything so that everything will be intact. So for those who have kitchen, the bathroom and everything, you put them in order with them. So first thing I want to remove all this. So I just say select all instance. I don't need the dimension for now since I've gotten what I need. So the dimension is good. So let me focus on the graphics capacity of this. So I'm going to do this. So what I do is align. Align. Then align like this. So I'm going to select from the existing. So I will say component. So let me check we have a component that's suitable. Yes, this is here. So I'm going to use this one. So this will be here. And the second one, which is the sour tray. So I'm going to use this one, install it here and put it here. So the third one is for cyan basin. Then you take it, so you put it. So you successfully put this in order. So you can just mirror. So since you have the same stuff, mirror that, it's done. So that's all in that aspect. The next is the kitchen. So if you have a kitchen component or kitchen cabinet, you just say whether we have it. Let's see. So we have, let's look at it, kitchen cabinets. So we have one. So I'm going to use this second one. So we use it here, or you can place it here. So adjust. So the remaining area, you just like forming some shape. So you do that. So just use the annotate to draw the line. You don't need to be creating anything since except for you are doing interior for the clients. So just representation and you have it done in that area. So select this one too, then you mirror it, you go to the opposite side. Good. So we're done with this one like that. So the next is that you come here. So this is a visitor toilet and this is a visitor toilet. So you change the doors and then you select this one that you know that are more smaller. So if you have the, like, let me use this one is small, so I think I will be able to do. So I will do the same thing here as well, and it's fixed. So you can just get these, all these ones, just like the only the that's needed here, and put it somewhere that you know that's fixed. You will save it here too. So just like we are doing the tidy up of all these things. So the same thing here too. The studio apartments has its own. So this side is for bathroom and toilet, one side is for kitchen and things like that. So here it's going to be for kitchen, while this one is going to be for bathroom and toilet. So that's what we do. So we do the same thing here by clicking, then create similar. You bring this one here. And do the same thing here too. So this next one is that you click here, so create similar. So if you want it to be, you close it in. Now when you are doing this thing, all these things come with the idea of the fact that most templates are different standard. You get, so you work with the standard of the template that you are working on. Like this, you can reduce them to suit what you need. Like this one, I'll click here and say the dimensions should be not be less than 800. So remove 100 around it, so it's going to get smaller. So you'll be able to drag and adjust some things. So it gets a WC now and place it here. So those are the factors that continue, and we move on, proceed to this one. So as you select that one now, just mirror it, understand, then you can copy this one, then anywhere you feel like bringing it to. So let's just say we bring it here, so we arrange it here too. So your choice. Then this one, sorry, it's supposed to be here. This one should be here. Always place your WC beside the window. Understand? So this one just a create similar. Then you place it to be vertical at this point. Then you move this one. Then you mirror this one. Okay, now we're done. So for now, you now start to create kitchen. You can copy and bring this kitchen cabinet to every side you know that needed the kitchen cabinet. So you do the same thing here too. Understand? So you do the same thing here. So you are able to do the tidy up completely. Fine. So as you're done with this ground floor, if you don't want to see since in presentation, you don't need this grid line. So when you are doing the working drawing, those grid line are compulsory. So you just hide all the category here. So the lines, if you need them, good. Break this one into this. So at this center, you break it, then you drag so that it will not be, the line will not be confusing. Not ordinary line. So you have given this space a whole lot of. So what you need now, you can just toggle up your shadow, and you see a little bit of graphics expression towards this. So many things you can do by changing that, but that's what we're going to do for this ground floor plan. So the ground floor plan is set to be like that. So the window side and everything, is there anywhere that there's no opening? So we check around, like the toilet now, like this. So there's no opening here. So you copy and paste. Anywhere you see that don't have opening, so you do the same thing here. So place similar. So reduce the height to 21. Then you place it here. So in the area you see that there's no opening, you do this, you do it thoroughly so that your standard will be good. I think we are done with this. Do the same thing here. Let's rename it here. Okay, and this side. Right. So everywhere is cooperated and still. So the entrance here, entrance here. So if you just want to see, so that you don't want to do any hashing level, just like drawing the entrance. Understand? So just simple graphics like that. It's done. You can select it, group it. You just say empty, ENT, so you'll be able to carry it around or create similar. Understand? Instead of you bringing it around, just create similar, stable like that, create similar, stable like that. So create similar, just put it around, then you start rotating it. So you understand. So that's how it works. So from here now, you can rotate this one, mirror it without copy. Understand? So that will be there. Shift it back. Do the same thing here. Mirror without copy. So you mirror again. This one have required double mirror. So you push it back, then push it up. So what do you need? The same thing you do here, the same thing here too. So mirror it, then mirror it here. So you see, work on that, and the same thing here, just mirror this one. Stand to mirror this one as well. So drag. So that arrow has shown that this is the entrance to whatever. So you don't need the annotation to draw anything again. So you're done with that. So the cropping parts, you select the crop parts, just like you crop the whole area that you know that is only the drawing you are needed. So every other line that are not associated with the, you delete them by not delete them, just crop them off. Then you toggle off the lines around. So that's it. Anyone excessiveness, you can just click on them and say hide. You can say hide the elements. So select again, hide the elements. So it's hidden. Not that it's deleted, so you can still bring them back and so on and so forth. So the shadow now, if you see this shadow, then you don't like it's too long, but you just want it to just click here and say graphics display. So when you do the graphics display, now you come to lighting. So you change your the light azimuth and altitude. So increase this one to 70 to 175 and reduce this one to something like 15. Now you're going to see the effect on this particular place now. Say okay, see it has reduced and look more neat than before. So that's what you do here. So the next thing you do, go to level 2, do the same thing that you have done before in level 1, arrange everything properly, cast the shadow the way it's supposed to be. But here I really want to focus on the windows. Let me see this one that I don't have regular window, then I do not have something here. So let me quickly create that one. You can use railing. I'm going to say railings here, draw the part of railing. So I just draw from here to here, so click finish. So from there you can mirror or rotate whatsoever. So mirror it, so it's on the opposite side. Sorry, just create similar. The mirror has given me issue, so create similar, then you have it like that. So click finish. Now fine, so I have what I need to have. This is kitchen, this is bedroom, this is the balcony at the back. So you can mirror this one. I have mirrors here now, so I can like mirror this one as well. So I will select this one, so you get. So I'm going to select this one as well. Then you mirror it. No, mirror with copy. So right, so you can cast the shadow the same way. So like this one has a drop shadow. So drop shadow. See, this shadow is what? It's too bogus. So that's what I'm saying. So what you need to do is to go to the lighting, so display. Then you come to lighting this time around. Do the same thing by reducing it. This is 75, then 15. Now you look at it, the level is more important. If you see below level, it's going to be more. Let me quickly do that and say it to you. To see that this thing is okay now. Let me quickly check that level and see what the level will look like. So let's say lighting, we are checking, we are not talking azimuth and altitude now. So just say level 1. If you see now level 1, you're going to see it's going to be too bogus. So you work on that aspect, very important. So level 2, since you are working on level 2, let all your setting be in level 2. So that's all. So you can hide this one as well, hide the category, then break this one into 2 the way we did there. So this is just a balcony and balcony, so you can just click and say copy and label it. Copy, understand, copy and paste. You only paste one, sorry, control here, or balcony. Okay, so you copy this, say finish. So copy here, paste this, then below, then you delete this. So these are the balcony side. So you copy it, same thing, and paste it around here. You paste it around here as well. So it depends upon the symbol you are putting there. So but for this, I think it's okay. It's not that the jumping out, but just a symbol. So that aspect is done. So let's go to the level 3 and see from there too. Check all the windows that are now. So we start from the window aspect. Click here and then you say change this one to 21. Remember, I'm using a long window for everyone. So this one is there like that. So the same thing here, same thing here. So you do the same thing here too. So you look around, all the external far is what you don't need to focus on. So like I would like to have this one outside. Okay, and that's all. So the next thing is that the part that is bedroom property, the one that is something. So it's more easy. So now let's go. from here, first let me focus on the kitchen component. So this is the kitchen, isn't it? So I'm going to use it to kitchen for this side. I'm going to use this one now. The remaining one I will do something else. So this one is the kitchen as well. Put the cabinets. It's a big kitchen. This one too, his own kitchen is there. So put the kitchen here. So let's focus on the next, which is the safe components. Then we focus next on the WC. So WC we have it here with the for the room. So the next room is this one. So WC here, WC grab it here, and WC here, and WC here, and the WC here. So we're done putting two here, two here, two here. So we're done with that. So the next is the shower tray. Like this. So you take one here, take another one here, you take this next one to this space, and the next one you put it here. Then look for this one here, then do the same thing here too. I think with that we're done with what we need to do. So now we have visitors toilets to focus on. So the only thing that you need to do with visitor toilet is WC, very important. So you put WC here, you later adjust this door, put WC here, then you put WC here. Okay, so put that for the 3 apartments. So this arrangement is okay and good. So the next thing I need to do is to hide this, hide the category. I don't want to see them. I'm breaking this one as well as I did on the other level, doing that here. Okay, so I cast the shadow the way I did there. Now look at it. This one is now more aggressive than that one. So you follow the same procedure to do the needful by just like clicking here and say adjust this. So this is at left 35. So you do turn it back to that. And this is at 35, we turn it back to 15. So when you say apply, you see what will happen. So definitely has never gotten to level supposed to be. So go to level 3 and say apply again. So it will key. So that thing will be there, and you have the little reflection of it. So it's much neater and fallible. So the external door is supposed to be here. Understand? So I have access to the balcony. The way other has, then windows will be there for the living room. So click here and say 21. So you do the same thing here. So I think with this now, we bring an excellent view and excellent performance towards the design for the level where we are. So in the next tutorial, we will now focus on the environment and like tidying it up for the proper documents. So all we just need to be doing is presentation, working drawing, dimension, and all those things are by just a click away. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless.